Hello guys, good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about induction motor. Descend to the pool of the speed. Ang formula is RPM is equal to 120 frequency over pool. That is equal to frequency. Legend. RPM is revolution per minute. Then F, frequency. Example of frequency is 50 Hz and 60 Hz. Then problem number 1, given problem. 2 pool at 60 Hz. Solving. RPM is equal to 120 times yung frequency niya is 60 Hz. F over yung pool niya is 2 pools. Then 120 times 60 is equal to 7,200 Hertz. Divide by 2 poles is equal to 3,600 RPM. Yung speed niya. Another problem, number 2 is given problem. 2 pole at 50 Hertz. Solving. RPM is equal to 120 times frequency is 50 Hertz divided by 2 poles is equal to 6,000. 120 times 50 is equal to 6,000 Hertz divided by 2 poles is equal to 3,000 RPM. Problem number 3, given problem. 4 pole at 60 Hz. Solving. Formula is RPM is equal to 120 times F, frequency niya is 60 Hz, divide by 4 poles is equal to 120 times 60 is equal to 7,200 Hz, divide by 4 poles is equal to 1,800 RPM. Another problem, number 4, given problem. 4 pole at 50 Hz. Solving. RPM is equal to 120 times frequency. Yung frequency niya is 50 Hz. Divide by 4 poles. 120 times 50 is equal to 6,000 Hz. Divide by 4 poles is equal to 1,500 RPM. Then 5 is given problem. 6 pole at 60 Hz. Solving. RPM is equal to 120 times frequency is 60 Hz divided by yung pole niya is 6 poles. 120 times 60 is equal to 7,200 Hz divided by 6 poles is equal to 1,200 RPM. Then another problem, given problem is 6 pole at 50 Hz. Solving. RPM is equal to 120 times frequency 50 Hz divided by 6 pole is equal to 6,000. 120 times 50 is 6,000 Hz divided by 6 poles is equal to 1,000 RPM. Bible verse of the day. So, book of 1 Peter chapter 5 verse 5. Likewise, ye younger, submit yourselves unto the elder. Yea, all of you, be subject to one another, and be clothed with humility. For God resisteth the proud, and giveth grace to the humble. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.